One of the question they've asked, simplify 0.3, 0.03 to 0.003. They've asked you to express in the form of a rational number. A rational number. What is a rational number? It is in the form of P by Q, numerator and denominator. A rational number in the form of numerator and denominator P and Q, and the numerator and denominator belongs to integers, and the denominator should not be 0. This is the definition of denominator should not be 0. A rational number, it's also called fraction in ordinary language. Express this in the form of fraction, they have asked. Which exam this? They have asked in the RIMC, Rashtriya Indian Military College, for the entrance admission test of 8th standard test. These are all India entrance exams. See, this is one of the prestigious exam. In fact, if you take Karnataka, in Karnataka only one student will be selected. Therefore, in fact, this Rashtriya Indian Military College, it is Dehradun, was created by Prince of Wales Royal Indian College of Britain. In Britain, the long back they created, it has a rich past. It has given four chief armed staff and chief air staff, and apart from one commander-in-chief of army, 2 chief air staff in Pakistan, and many of the honored civilians and dignitaries like governors, ambassadors, ministers are the products of RIMCS, Dehradun. What is the purpose of this institution? The institution was established with the purpose of giving Indian youth a very good education and training. It is a RIMC. This college is a category establishment for the Ministry of Defense, and many of our education institutions, they don't tell about this. In fact, the student has to start at the 5th standard itself to know about this type of institutions. There are different institutions: National Institute of National Defense Academy, and RIMS is the best. The next is those who have finished +2 level, they can join to NDA. Now, coming back to this, how to simplify this problem? This problem is this simple: 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. 0.03 can be written as 3 by 100. 1, 2 zeros. Here 1 0. Here 1, 2, 3 zeros. 0.003 is equal to 3 divided by 3 zeros. Therefore, 0.03 is 0.3 into 0.03 into 0.003 can be written as 3 by 10 into 3 by 100, 2 zeros, into 3 by 1 to 3 zeros. Therefore, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Therefore, this number you have expressed in the form of fraction p by q. See, this is the form of p by q, where p is 27, q is this one. This is the first question. And the second question, right here, suppose 5, this is 7. In between, what is our number? You can put any number of, many numbers you can put. Here what I know, 5, 6 I can put, only 6 I know. This is a whole number. Now, I can introduce only one number. How I have to introduce the number here? 6, how do I get it? This is A, this is B. Take the average, A plus B by 2. What is A plus B by 2? 5 plus 7 by 2. 5 plus 7 is 12 by 2. 6. Therefore, I have written 6 here. Now, I want to introduce 3 numbers. Suppose I want to introduce 3 numbers. I want to introduce another number here, somewhere here. Half of 6 is what? 3, no? 5. Half of this between 5 and 6. 5 and 6. 5 by 6 divided by 2. What will? Between 5 and 6, I want to introduce some number. Take the average. 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is how much? 11 by 2. This is 5.5. 5 and a half. This is what? 5.5. I want to introduce a number in between these two. What I have to do? 6 plus 7 by 2. What do you get? 13 by 2. That is 6.5. This is 6.5. Now, very simple. If you have a number, say 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Or just 5. And here it is 7. What is this number? This is A, this is B. Then this number is what? A plus B by 2. That is 5 plus 7 by 2. What is 5 plus 7 by 2? 12 by 2, 6. I got 6. I have introduced only one number. And what is half of the 6? Half of 6 is 3. Is it? Half of this 6, 3. Therefore, half of this, that means 5 plus 6 by 2, half of this. What do you get? Half of these two. This is 11 by 2. This is 5.5. 5.5. Now, what is half of this? What is in between? This is 5.11 by 2. And I want to find the point between these two. These two. This is 11 by 2, isn't it? This is one number, this is number. In between, I want to find out how. 5 plus 11 by 2 divided by 2. Therefore, if you want to find out any number in between A and B, write one number, A plus B by 2. And what is this? This is, say, X. This is what? A and X. What is the number in between A and X? A plus X by 2. Now this is a new value of Y. This is A. This is Y. What is the number in between? A plus Y by 2. Likewise, I can introduce so many numbers in between. If I want to introduce a number in between, you can introduce here. What you take? This is X. B you take it. X plus B by 2. Where you will get it? In between you will get it. This is X plus B by 2. That is, say, Z. This number is Z. This number is B. In between I want to find out some number. What you have to write? z plus b by 2. I will get this a number. That means this number is it z plus b by 2. Now same principle I am going to apply here. They have asked the second question in RIMS entrance exams. One number is given 1 by 5. Another number is what? Half. This is one rational number, this is one rational number. Introduce three rational number. Introduce three rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. How to start with? This is A, this is B. In between, I want to introduce one number first. That is what? A plus B by 2. Is it not? A is what? 1 by 5 plus half divided by 2. Now, how to work it out this? 1 by 5 plus half. What is LCM? 5 into 2, that is what? 10, isn't it? Put 1 here. 5, how many times it goes? 2 times. Plus put 1 here. 2, how many times it goes? 5 times. Therefore 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 5, 5. 5 2s are 10. This is 7 by 10. Therefore, this, what is this value? This value is what? This value is what? 7 by 10 divided by 2. Therefore, 7 by 10 divided by 2. That means half 7 by 10. That is 7 by 20. Therefore, this number is 7 by 20. Okay. I have introduced one value. Now, I want to introduce another value. This is 1. Here I want to introduce half of it. This is half of it. What is half of 7 by 20? 7 by 40. This is 7 by 40. Next, I want to introduce another number. This is, I have introduced three rational number. Now this one rational number, this one rational number, and here I want to introduce another number. The best thing is what? Half of this. What is half of this? This 7 by 40. Half of it. What is half of it? 7 by 80. Where you will get? This is what? 7 by 80. Therefore, how many numbers you have introduced? One number, 2 and 3. According to your, the answer is what? 7 by 80. You go from this side. 7 by 40, 7 by 20. You have introduced three numbers. This is one of the methods. There are many methods are there in this. There are many methods there. Therefore, that I will tell you later. At present, we have solved only 2 questions in RIMS. Now, go through the internet RIMS. What is RIMS? If you join, why we have to join? What is the use of joining there? All these things you go and study, and we'll start doing sums on this. See, here it contains general English. Now I am introducing mathematics, some general science, everything I am introducing it. And you start discussing with your other friends and send these videos to your friends also. Discuss with your teachers and learn more about RIMS. It is for our national interest. Thank you. Jai Hind.